Was colloquial French. The word colloquial means spoken or conversational. Colloquial French is spoken or conversational French. The first expression, entrez s'il vous plaît. Entrez s'il vous plaît means come in please. Let us know something about the pronunciation. Entrez. In French, an, en, on, in and un produce a nasal sound or nasal sound. Entrez, not entrez. Entrez. Entrez, s'il vous plaît. I have already told you the meaning of s'il vous plaît in my previous videos. S'il vous plaît means please. The second one, merci beaucoup. Mer. In French, the letter R is pronounced as R, not R. Remember this point, the difference between English and French R. In French, R, mer, merci, beaucoup. E-A-U is pronounced as O. O-U is pronounced as U. It becomes beaucoup. The French language has its own spelling and pronunciation system. Now coming to merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Je vous en prie. Note down a consonant followed by a vowel sound. We have to link them. For example, the S is pronounced with E. For example, je vous en prie. This S is produced with the sound Z. Je vous en prie. This is called liaison in French and English. That is, welcome or mention not. We have three synonymous expressions in French. Il n'y a pas de quoi. O-I is pronounced as W-A. So, il n'y a pas de quoi. Or, de rien. Don't neglect this. Rien, not rien. De rien. These three expressions mean the same, that is, welcome or mention not. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Avec plaisir. Here also, R is pronounced as R. Plaisir. Avec plaisir means with pleasure. Attention. In French, T-I-O-N spelling is pronounced as sillon. Attention, that is attention. Spelling is the same. Spelling is the same. The last one, écoutez bien. This accent is called acute accent. We use accents in French. Coming to this acute accent, it is pronounced as A, not A. Now, this accent is called acute accent. Écoutez bien. Écoutez bien. Listen carefully. So, for the last time, I'll read out. You listen to the pronunciation. Entrez, s'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. Je vous en prie. Il n'y a pas de quoi, de rien. Excusez-moi. Avec plaisir. Attention. Écoutez bien. Au revoir.